Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a house that is close to Carnival Regional Hospital, Northern Caribbean University Western Campus, and the town of Montego Bay. It is located in the residential area of Rosemount Gardens, Montego Bay. This house is a 75% complete dwelling, consisting of 11 bedrooms and 7 bathrooms. Two apartments are move-in ready for tenants, and the main floor is complete with minor work to be done to suit your taste buds. The upper floor only needs finishing touches, a great income earning opportunity that will suit the savvy visionary. The land area of this house is approximately 4,000 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 23 million or US $149,400. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.